Dreamers, we have arrived in Nassau, Bahamas, but we've been here so many times, we decided that we're gonna stay on the Navigator of the Seas and check out all of the amazing amenities. They have water slides, they have mini golf, and we're gonna try an escape room today. So we're gonna hit some fun on board the ship. And hey, if you are new to our channel, make sure you click that red subscribe button so you can join all of the Jones family travels, adventures, and tips and tricks along the way. All right, so let's go have some fun on the Navigator of the Seas. So the first thing we're gonna do is hit the water slides. The Navigator of the Seas has two brand new water slides. One of them is a tube slide and one is just a body slide. So we're gonna hit those first because they just opened, and hopefully everybody's in Nassau, so there's not gonna be a wait, keeping my fingers crossed, but we're gonna hit the pool and hit those slides first. I see water! I see water slide! All right, so do we wanna do the blaster or Riptide first? Do we wanna do blaster? Blaster is the tube slide, or do we wanna do Riptide?
What's Riptide?
Riptide is the matte one.
I'm gonna do blaster.
Blaster, all right, tube slide first. There's the blaster right there.
Pool was so much fun, but it's time to go to the escape room. So we came back to the room and we're doing a quick change, and then we're gonna go straight to the escape room. And I'm super excited. The escape room was awesome. I solved several of the problems, and it's like a really cool one. So like time stops and you have to make it go again. And they have these really cool clocks around. And then you would have to like stop the clocks at some point at a certain time. It was very confusing, and we had a lot of people, but it was still really cool. And I loved it, and it was awesome, and I definitely recommend it. And we also stopped with 2 minutes left. It was crazy, and I was very, very nervous that we would not be able to solve it, but we solved it, and it was awesome.
Sorry, my bad. Is that do-over?
Yes.
Then go the lights, back out into the Tele Basin and turn around and head out there from Nassau. The plan is to travel, of course, towards Miami and pick up local pilots tomorrow morning at the run start on 83 degrees Fahrenheit and 28 degrees Celsius. I hope that is all for me for this afternoon.
We're doing some mini golf today. Some good mini golf. I'm obviously not winning.
We're so excited to end our cruise with dinner at Izumi, which is a Japanese restaurant. Poor Kelly, I know that he would love to be here to go to an authentic Japanese restaurant because we all kind of miss Japan at this point. But we're here to go have dinner, and Hunter's over here dancing.
I'm not. Definitely not.
She was dancing.
Oh, shoot.
Busted. We started with firecracker spring rolls, and Hunter, I know all you guys that watch our videos know she's doing this so incorrectly. She couldn't get it with her chopsticks, so she stabbed the poor spring roll. I know we're gonna get 8,000 comments about this because I know that's so wrong. But she couldn't pick up the poor spring roll with her chopsticks.
I'm very white, okay?
So wrong.
You can do it. There you go.
Mom and I got beef tenderloin, and we actually cook it ourselves on a hot rock, which is totally crazy. I've never done that. Totally awesome. And then Hunter got ramen over here, right? What kind of ramen did you get?
I can't pronounce it.
Tonkatsu ramen.
What she said. Can you say it?
Use like this. Record the live. I'm their waitress.
She's our awesome waitress. Awesome waitress.
Thank you.
So, bon appetit, and we're gonna dive in and eat. Can you pronounce it now?
What?
Can you pronounce it now?
No.
Ramen. She got ramen. Seriously, I just cut and took a little bite off the hot stone. Super juicy, so good. amazing good. Mom, what do you think? So good. Dinner was delicious, so stuffed. Ended with that mochi ice cream, which was so amazing, but yeah, we're stuffed. What an amazing day here on the Navigator of the Seas. Last big day. Tomorrow we have to get off. Always hate that. Oh, tear. Thanks so much for joining us today, though, with all the fun adventures on the ship. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and make sure if you are new, you subscribe to join us for other tips and tricks as we travel and our adventures. Keep on dreaming, and we'll see you then. Bye. Love y'all.